Hello, good evening guys, good evening. How are you guys doing? First of all, let me know guys, how are you guys doing? How are you guys doing? How are you guys doing? Yes, Kumar ji, definitely I'll use English. Don't worry, I'll use English. Don't worry. How are you guys doing? How are you guys doing? Is audio video clear on your side? Is audio video clear on your side, guys? I have a humble request from my side. Please share the session with your friends so that we can start as soon as possible and the maximum people can join in. Maximum people can join in. I want you to share this session with your friends. Definitely, desperately, I want you to share this session with your friends. So guys, so that the maximum people can take the benefit and the people are living in a turmoil situation. That turmoil situation they can get over. That turmoil situation they can get over. So please share this session and guys with your friends in all Telegram group and WhatsApp group. Please share this session so that the maximum people can join. And guys, do subscribe our channel, because by subscribing our channel you can have live interaction with me. You can tell your problems and I will reply it spontaneously over here. So guys, that is the benefit of the live chat, right? And please take advantage of it. Please take advantage of it. Okay, Vikas ji want me to in Hindi. How many of you want me to use Hindi and how many of you want me to use English? Please let me know. कितने लोग चाहते हो मैं हिंदी में बोलूं, कितने लोग चाहते हो मैं अंग्रेजी में बोलूं? I will mix both of them. I will repeat same thing in English, I will repeat same thing in Hindi if you want. Good evening everyone. Good evening. Good evening. Happy Independence Day. Happy Independence Day. Ambati ji, Happy Independence Day. Good evening everyone. Good evening. So guys, please share this session with your friends so that we can start as soon as possible. We can start as soon as possible. Okay, sure. Sure, definitely I'll use both of them. I'll use both of them, guys. I'll use both of them so that none of you is affected by it. It's an English channel, so I'm compulsive to use English. I'm compulsive to use English, but as you guys are requesting, I can also use Hindi. मैं हिंदी में भी बोल सकता हूँ, but the people who understands English only, they will not be at loss. That's my guarantee. But before that, guys, please share the session. Please share the session. Only 16 people. This is a very big session I'm bringing for you guys. Only 16 people, guys. That's all. That's all. That's all. Show your love. Show your love to the video. Show your love to the video. I want 50 people live. I want 50 people live. I want 50 people live. So that I can lift the curtain up. पर्दा उठाने के लिए साहब 50 लोग. What is the issue? Please show your strength. Please show your strength, guys. Don't worry, I'll motivate you, don't worry. आपको पूरा motivate करूंगा साहब, don't worry. So guys, basically how to become a topper in GATE exam, this is the session all about, right? I am myself Ankit Sharma. I'm an ex-IAS officer having more than 12 years of teaching experience. I have been teaching so many students, I have been mentoring so many students, I have been guiding so many students, and every year, don't worry, space stories ji, I will answer all your questions. Just let me tell you something from my side. Don't worry, I'll have question and answer from you. Don't worry guys, don't worry. So guys, the point is this: I have been mentoring and guiding many students, and guys, every year those students have made me feel proud. Under my guidance or with the help from my side, the mentoring from my side, they have able to secure very good rank, guys. I am not snatching anything from their hard work. Definitely they have put in their hard work. You guys also put in your hard work. आप लोग भी मेहनत करते हो. मेहनत हर कोई करता है साहब. But the people who get successful, they put up their effort in a channelized direction, and there comes a role of a mentor. ठीक है, वहां पे एक टीचर का रोल आता है जो आपकी मेहनत को एक डायरेक्शन में चैनलाइज कर देता है. Clear? Agreed? Yes or no? Do you agree with me? Yes or no? There where the mentor comes and mentor plays a role, वहां पे एक mentor role play करता है. Yes or no, guys? Yes or no? Clear? So basically I'll be your mentor and I'll be guiding you. So guys, please be with me up to the end. And I will be taking your doubts. At the end, I'll be only taking your doubts, and in between I'll be taking your doubts, but my frequency of taking doubt will be less. It will be less because I'll be more concentrating on delivering the data first, because after that your mind will get open up and you may be able to think more in a more broader way. आप लोग शायद और थोड़ा broad सोच पाओ. Guys, first of all share the session. That's my humble request. First of all share the session, guys. Thank you, Vikas ji. Thank you. Definitely, Vikas ji. So guys, basically let me start the session. So this is myself. I have already introduced you about myself. Agreed? Further, these are our batches going on specifically for GATE and engineering services. And guys, to have the benefit of these batches, you have to opt for GradeUp Super. आप लोगों को GradeUp Super लेना पड़ेगा. And for that, ठीक है, if you have any difficulty, you can call on this number. And guys, we are having very good discount going on, and that is the last day today for it. Clear? And there is a last day for it. Basically, we are having a very good offer. In that offer, basically, we are giving you, if you use code Azadi50, I forgot to brought it over here. I'm very sorry for it. Okay, basically, if you use code Azadi50, you will be benefited by it. Clear? Now, let us start the session, but only 18 students, guys. That's not fair. That's not fair. But did all of you have subscribed our channel and like the video? Did all of you have subscribed our channel and liked the video? Guys, if you think that why sir is telling, sir, बार-बार ऐसा क्यों कह रहे हैं? See guys, I'm bringing this knowledge for free for you, right? Can't you do this much for me? Can't you do this much for me, right? Clear? Further, let us start the session. So guys, the session is basically what is the pattern of the exam? Let us first try to understand. Basically, overall 100 marks question paper, you must be aware about it, right? And thereafter 65 questions. ठीक है, 65 सवाल आते हैं. Clear? 100 मार्क का पेपर होता है. So guys, and the duration is how much? 3 hours. Duration 3 घंटे रहती है. So there is an ample of time available in the exam. काफी आराम से समय रहता है आपके पास. There is an ample of time available in the exam. Right? Clear? Now, basically on what pattern the questions are asked, what is the breakup of it? What is the breakup of it? Okay, Ambati ji, just leave it. So basically what is happening over here, there will be nearly about 9 to 10 questions of general ability and mathematics all together. This is a combined section. Agreed? Combined section. And 45 to 46 questions. Why 46? In a particular year there was a variation. There were 46 questions of technical. Agreed? Otherwise it's a 45 questions. Agreed? Further, 15 marks. So altogether 30 marks is from this side. Altogether 30 marks is from this side. Got my point? So 45 question over here, 10 question over here. So that makes 65 question. That makes what? 65 questions. Agreed? And 30 marks over here and 70 marks over here. Generally what happens, people don't study aptitude and maths. People neglect it. People concentrate mainly on what? Technical portion. But guys, over there we are in a problem. Right? Why we are in a problem? Because guys, in the present scenario, to be topper, you have to study everything. आप लोगों को सब कुछ पढ़ना पड़ेगा. You have to study everything. You cannot leave any stone unturned. Right? You have to read every particular subject, every particular topic, so that you can have veracity of subjects and veracity of topic under your belt. So point is this, basically when the question comes easy from a particular topic, you might not be clueless about it. So I will never ever suggest to leave any particular topic. But over here I will also give you a list, basically which topics are more important, so that you may concentrate on those topics at first. Agreed? Clear? Further, let us start further. Basically, now let us also understand the pattern of the exam. Basically, we have multiple choice question. In this, only one answer will be correct. Only one answer will be correct. 4 options will be given and only one answer will be correct. And basically these will be of 1 marks or 2 marks. These will be of 1 marks or 2 marks. And if you go wrong, if your answer is wrong, Panditji, good evening. If your answer is wrong, then what may happen? If your answer is wrong, in that case, guys, you may have a penalty of 1/3 mark. You may have a penalty of 1/3 mark. But we have other types of questions also asked in the exam, and fortunately that there is no penalty for it. Like for example, we have MSQ, more than one correct answer. More than one correct answer, and that is a MSQ question. Agreed? Pranam. Lipunji, pranam. More than one correct answer, and basically over there what happens, you have to put up more than one correct answer, and in such type of a question, if you go wrong, there is a no negative marking. That is something fortunate. So definitely you have to solve MSQ questions. There is a no chance of negative marking. There is no, okay, thank you Abhinashji, thank you. So there is a no chance of negative marking over here. I'm good, all good, just before you. What about you? So there is no chance of negative marking. Further NAT question. This is just a fill in the blank question, and it will be a numerical question. And basically it's a numerical answer type question. It's a fill in the blank question. Basically, if unfortunately your answer is going beyond the range, there will be a range. There will be a range defined by the gate. This year IIT Kharagpur is taking, so they will give an answer and they will give a probable range. A margin of error will be there. Agreed? If you outflank that margin of error, if you are crossing that margin of error, still there will not be any negative marking. So don't run away from these questions. Definitely attempt it. No Ayushji, if there are 3 correct answers and you have marked 2 or 1, you will not get mark. You will get marks if and only if you have marked all the 3 correct. Got the point? Happy Independence Day all of you, Abhinashji, to you and to all of you. Agreed, guys? Further, after that, next one. What are required for it? What are the things which are required for it? Let us try to understand what are the things which are required for it, right? What are the things which are required for it, right? First of all, gate syllabus. Paste the gate syllabus on the wall where you are studying, so that you don't miss out the syllabus. And while starting any particular subject, read the syllabus of that particular subject individually. Agreed? Thereafter, gate analysis and previous year questions. See, previous year questions you have to get from the market. Gate analysis I'll be giving you over here right now. I'll be giving you the gate analysis. Clear? Further, standard books and sources. Now, what are the standard books required? That I will share that list with you right now. Shortly, I will share the list with you. Agreed? Clear? Shortly, I'll share the list with you. Now, dedication to the hard work. Guys, this you have to bring. I can only motivate you, but I cannot study for you. I can motivate you, but I cannot study for you. You have to basically understand this difference, right? A teacher or mentor can guide you. He can make the way easier for you, but he cannot reduce the length of that way or that path. Agreed? We can only motivate you. We can make your way, your journey easier, comfortable, but I cannot reduce the length of the journey. That you have to understand, right? So basically hard work that you have to put in. Hard work aapko dalna padega. Got the point? Yes or no? Am I correct? If yes, please give me thumbs up, guys. If yes, please give me thumbs up. So I can provide you the knowledge, I can provide you the guidance, but guys, you have to sit on table and chair. Definitely, I cannot do that job for you. You have to study the concept. I can teach you the concept, I can make you solve the question, but I cannot force you to study. That basically, that inspiration has to come from inside of yours. That has to come from inside of yours. Right? आग अंदर जलनी चाहिए साहब. मैं आग ठीक है, लगा सकता हूं, जलाए नहीं रख सकता। मैं आग लगा सकता हूं, जलाए नहीं रख सकता। देयर इज अ डिफरेंट, राइट? दिया आप जला सकते हो, बट 24 घंटे जले, अब वो ठीक है, अमर ज्योति जले, वो आप ठीक है मेक श्योर करोगे, दैट यू विल मेक श्योर दैट बेसिकली दैट लाइट और दैट फायर इनसाइड यू is basically alive for years or up till the date of the exam. And guys, we are very fortunate this year that just on the 15th day after gate we have the ES exam, so I don't have to prepare separately for both the exams. Yes, no, if you keep books, that is very good. I always suggest to keep the books. Teacher notes are sufficient, but books are very good friend. We should also have books. That's why I'm a strong advocate of it. I'm a strong advocate of it, Avinashi. That's why always have book. I always maintain a library, and you should also. Agreed? Now, basically see, this is the pattern. This is the pattern. Basically, in last 2 years, basically this is two set, right? 2020 and 21, these are the 2 set papers, and in 2018 also 2 set papers. Agreed? Clear guys? 2019 also 2 set paper. These are 2 set paper. From 2017 the pattern has changed. From 2017 the pattern has changed. Ayush is asking, sir, can you please tell that how many hours should we devote in self study apart from coaching lectures? For example, if we take 2 lectures per day, so how many hours we should do self-study? Ayush ji, that 2 lectures per day amounts to how much duration? How much duration? I'll tell you about it. Don't worry, I'll tell you about it. Clear? Further over here, these are 2 set paper. So guys, just take a note of it. Over here, just take a note of it, which are important, right? Which topics are important. So can you please see that? Can you please see soil mechanics? Soil mechanics. This is a very important topic, guys. Very important topic. Agreed? Soil mechanics. Can you see consistently it is being asked of so many marks? These are two sets. These are of 2 sets, right? I'm sorry. These are of 2 sets. Agreed? So 13 marks, 14 marks, 16 marks, 12 marks, 11 marks. So consistently more than 10%, from 10 to 15% paper is being asked from individually soil mechanics. So it's a very important topic. Agreed? It's a very important topic, guys. So please try to understand it. After that, if you'll ask me the next important topic, I will tell you FM. And I will tell you enviro. These are 2 important topics. After soil mechanics, that is my favorite into this. And very soon I'll be teaching you soil mechanics also. Very soon I'll be teaching you soil mechanics also. Clear? Now, basically, I will not suggest you to start with steel structure or RCC. Why? You know the reason. See, in steel structure or RCC, the portion which is being asked, that is very less. I'm not telling you guys to leave it, but I'm telling you just do it at the last. Just do it at the last. First thing, you should be starting with maths and aptitude. That should be the first one to start with. Agreed? That should be the first one to start with, maths and aptitude. Favorite for gate. Those are favorite for the people who are setting the paper, and those are also favorite for the students also. So guys, you have to be falling love with your maths and aptitude. That is in the month of February, right? The month of love. Agreed? Everyone, the Valentine's Day. Yes. Sure, Abhinashi, sure, definitely. Agreed? After that, strength of material also plays a very important role. Clear? And after that, guys, the other topics which are small topics, they also plays a very vital role. Why they play a vital role? What is the reason? See, these topics like hydrology, irrigation, transportation, surveying, You don't have to read a lot. These topics are not that much conceptual. These have a very straightforward concept. They don't have a complex concept like SOM, structure, RCC, steel, soil, FM, enviro. These are very plain subjects. Am I right or wrong? Just let me know in the comment box. Am I right or wrong? Sure, Abhinashji, sure. Am I right or wrong? Subjects like hydrology, irrigation, transportation, BMC, CPM, which you consider as minor subjects. Guys, questions are asked from these subjects, and I'll tell you the questions which are asked from these subjects are very easy. But the point is that we don't study these topics, we don't give respect to these topics. And there we lose marks. There we start losing the opportunity. Guys, GATE is a very good exam, and that also gives you job, because many PSUs are calling you for the interview on the basis of your GATE score. That's why the GATE exam becomes very important. And secondly, it is also important for those who wants to pursue higher study, right? They want to pursue M.Tech from IITs. Agreed? So that in that way it is also very important. So guys, that's why the GATE score or the GATE rank becomes very important. Yes or no? Clear? Yes. So that's why, that is the place. That's why these topics are also very important, guys, and don't leave these topics. Very straightforward topics. Further, next, preparation tips. As I told you, take the printout of GATE syllabus, paste it, make a plan to cover the syllabus in 4 months. Right? In very less duration you have your exam. So rest of the time you can just put in for your revision. Agreed? So you should be having a plan. Guys. Don't waste your time here and there. Prepare a plan and execute it with your whole energy. And thereafter after the 5th of February, you can take rest of 1 day, and from 6th, again from 6th onwards, you can start and hit the bullseye on the 20th of February. That is the pre. Right? Now, basically try to cover the important large areas of syllabus first, and try to cover the syllabus as much as possible. As I told you, don't start with steel structure or RCC. Please start with strength of material and soil mechanics. Before that, at first you should cover what? Mathematics and aptitude. And guys, don't take aptitude lightly. There is enough questions being asked from the aptitude, and basically I should solve those questions correct, and I should solve those questions in less time, so that I can devote that time to more conceptual questions. Agreed? Further, next, keep your fundamentals clear. Like people ask me, sir, how many hours should we study? As Ayush ji has asked, how many hours should we study? Guys, I never ever recommend hours to my student. I always tell them, read as much as possible. You are in a comfort zone. You don't basically overstress yourself, because you don't have to read only a single day. You have to keep it. You have to maintain this chain. You have to keep this effort constant throughout your preparation up to the 5th of May. Like basically this is a marathon race. It is not a 100-meter or 200-meter sprint. It's a marathon race. Agreed? No, Ambati ji. No. Don't take anything lightly. So guys, it's a marathon, so you have to basically keep yourself energized also. So I will not suggest you to put in every bit of your effort on a single day. That is not possible. That is inhuman. Agreed? So you have to keep your effort persistent. Further, now the point is this, why I am telling you go for conceptual study. The point is very simple, guys. GATE will be asking questions on the basis of concepts. There are more numerical questions in GATE, and in ES basically this numerical and theoretical are almost 50-50%. What is GATE? GATE is a door from which we enter into the house. Mishra ji, gate is a gate from which we enter into the house. First, we have a gate outside our house and then we open that gate and then the car is let in and then we have a door in the house. We may call it as a gate also. Shivans Mishra ji, right now you are too young for this session, brother. Why you are watching this? Why you are watching this? You are too young for this session. You have to first become an engineer and then you can only appear for the gate. You have to pass couple of years of the engineer and then in third year you can appear for this exam gate. Clear? Further. That's why, brother, so please, just this session might not be helpful for you. Now, solve a lot of numerical related to the topic because gate mostly are numerical based. The theoretical questions are very less, right? Further, this one, make short notes containing formula, assumptions, everything, limitations, everything. Make short notes, design your short notes according to it. Design your short notes according to it. See, basically, I would suggest you not to design the short notes according to the gate only. You should design a short notes according to your ES also. And that short note will also be helpful for your AE, JE exams also. So, short note should be one and it should solve my purpose of every exam. Clear? Thank you, Shivanshi. Thank you. Further, make a copy or sheet of mistake in which you will write your mistakes and those mistakes you want to read it again and again. Why I tell you this? Why I tell you this? Because committing mistake is not a sin. Repeating mistake is a sin. Committing mistake is not a sin. Repeating mistake is a sin. Right? Galti karna paap nahi hai. Galti dohrana paap hai. That's the point we have to understand. Agreed, guys? Clear? Further, in that book, you have to write where you have gone conceptually wrong. In that book, you have to write where you have made a calculation mistake so that you can improve it again and again. Over a period of time, you will be minimizing your mistakes and you will be increasing your efficiency and accuracy. And that plays a very important role. Like if I have solved whole 100 marks paper but I am getting 50, then that is of no use. That is of no use. Clear? Very soon, Reddy ji, very soon in the month of September we are about to start it. In the month of September. Clear? Rank up batch. Further, as I have written in the red, right, you can read over here. Read mathematics and aptitude from the starting. Read mathematics and aptitude from the starting itself. Now guys, I'm telling you something why you should understand the assumptions. I have an example over here. Now guys, please see, previous year questions will guide you in your preparation. So that's why previous year plays a very important role. Now, basically you have to give the answer what exams demand from you, not the answer what you know about the answer, about the question, right? Further, now please see, in open channel flow, we have this formula that y2 by y1 is equal to half minus 1 plus under root of 1 plus 8 f1 square, right? This is a formula for sequent depth. This is a formula for sequent depth. Are you aware about it? Yes, Amadiji. Sure. Definitely. Are you aware about this formula? In open channel flow, we have this formula for sequent depth. Yes or no? Agreed? But are you aware about this, that this formula is only valid for rectangular channel section, and once they have asked you the question about the triangular channel section, the sequent depth in triangular channel section, and while remembering this formula we don't concentrate on this, that basically this formula is for rectangular channel section. We land up using the same formula for different channel section and there we go wrong. Got the point, guys? So like this you have to understand it fundamentally. What is the formula, where it is applied, what are the assumptions? Agreed, guys? Clear? Yes or no? So that's the point. We have to understand this point. Further, now, just after reading a topic, particular topic, solve previous year questions of GATE related to that topic. because solving those questions you will understand how much you have understood. Good afternoon Rudraji. How much you have understood and how much you are lacking in this topic. So how much more effort is need to be put in, right? So that's the important point. Yes, Amadiji, perfect, bang on target, definitely brother, definitely. Now, basically, very important thing, gate calculator. Gate calculator, guys, we take calculator too lightly. Guys. These days competition is very tough. You might be aware about it, right? So I would suggest you to have your perfect mastery on the gate calculator. Gate calculator are available online on the App Store and Play Store. These are available. Please practice with that so that you get acquainted with it. And you start it. Agreed? Further, while solving previous year paper, it would give you exam like practice and it would minimize error in the exam. That's why I'm telling you practice. This is something like net practice. Before playing the real match, this is something like net practice. Further, remember the formulas, assumptions, concept without any pause. If asked in the examination, I may not have that much time to go for the derivation. In GATE, we have time, but not for each and every question. So you have to minimize this as much as possible. Do you agree? You have to minimize this as much as possible. Further, revision, guys, that you have to do again and again. Multiple revisions you have to do. See, you have read a topic today. Let's, for example, you have started with strength of material, first topic, and mathematics you have studied 1 month before, but after 2 months you might be forgetting the formulas used in mathematics, the concepts used over there, the formulas used in strength of material. So guys, revision will help you not to forget any particular concept in the exam. Definitely Adarshji, definitely I'll tell you about it. If you want to have a session on it, how to manage GATE preparation and ES preparation simultaneously. I'll take a different session for it. Inspire Yourself is asking, sir, I have been preparing for state AE, so I shall make this my priority as well. What are your thoughts? I did not get you. Can you be more elaborative? Inspire Yourself, Ji, can you be more elaborative on it? Now, basically, try to revise your mistake copy also. Like we do mistakes in our life also. And we forget it. After some point of time, we again do the same mistake. We repeat the same mistake and we get the same result. And then we just sit and regret about it. We repent about it. Basically, I have done this mistake in the past and I am a very bad person. Because I am repeating same mistake again and again. And I am knowingly doing this mistake. So that demotivates you. If you see, committing mistakes should not demotivate you. Repeating mistakes should demotivate you. Agreed? Because committing mistakes are giving you a very good learning. And it is better to commit mistake before the exam so that I don't commit these mistakes in the exam. More you sweat in the field, less you bleed in the battle. More you sweat in the field, less you bleed in the battle. Agreed? So basically, this is the time of sweating. Yes, inspire yourself, Ji. Definitely. Agreed. So, Ambati Ji, committing mistake is not an issue. Repeating mistake is an issue. Right? That's why. Further, also try to revise using question, short notes and previous year question. See, there are different techniques of doing the revision. Some people may revise by their notes. Some of them revise by their short notes. Some of them revise by the questions. I would tell you, have a combination of all of this, so that you get the benefit of all of this. Have a cocktail of all of this. Agreed? That's my suggestion. Further, next, basically write online test series. Why? Because GATE exam is online exam, so that's a very important thing. Write online test series. Agreed? Further, test yourself in real time like exam situation. It's like sometimes what happens, students are afraid that today is the test of hydrology and I have not read hydrology. Shall I skip that test? See, skipping something is very easy. First of all, you have not read hydrology for the test series. That is your mistake. You should admit it. And secondly, you are committing a mistake running away from that exam. Go and give that exam. Let the exam humiliate you. Let it humiliate you. Get humiliated. And that will also motivate you. Further, take it as an opportunity. That basically I have not read it. Let me go and check how much I can perform without reading, without revising. And if you perform good in that exam, your confidence will be very high. That will be at the pinnacle, right? That will be at pinnacle. But if you don't perform good, you have an excuse in your mind. Deep inside you, you have an excuse. I did not perform good just because of the reason I did not revise. Agreed? Got the point? Clear? क्या हुआ बाबूजी? Why you are sad? क्या हुआ बाबूजी? Why you are sad? क्या हो गया दोस्त? बड़े दिन बाद दिखे हो और sad हो. Clear? Further, try to use yourself in real-time exam situation. This will increase your confidence and gives you a taste of online calculator. Yes, definitely. Definitely. Attempt the topic-wise test, subject-wise test and full-length test. I'm telling you, have experience of everything. Topic-wise test, subject-wise test, full-length test. GradeUp is giving you all. GradeUp is giving you all. Right? Further, analyze your error in the test series and the nature and the types of error. I'm telling you again and again, see, giving paper is not important. Basically, learning from the mistakes from that paper, that is more important for me. That is more important for me. Clear? देखो साहब, मन बड़ा भोला होता है बाबूजी और इसको मनाना पड़ता है. आप कह रहे हो कि साहब अच्छे से होता है, उतने में रिवाइज और प्रैक्टिस कर लें, ऑनलाइन टेस्ट सीरीज बोरिंग लगने लगता है. देखिए साहब, मन को मनाना पड़ेगा कि हाँ साहब ये करना है. मेरा भी मन नहीं था क्लास लेने का, मेरा मन था सोऊं आज, इंडिया गेट घूम के आऊं. ठीक है, बट साहब मन को मनाना पड़ा और मैं आपके सामने हूं और ऐसा तो नहीं लग रहा कहीं बेमन से खड़ा हूं. ऐसा तो नहीं लग रहा ना बेमन से हूं. Do I seem like, does it seem like that I am not having energy or I am not having mood to tell you? Agreed? Agreed? So I am having full of energy. So guys, you have to train your mind, you have to train your heart also. Basically, the mind is very easy to conquer. Agreed? So just, it's a mental game, guys. You have to overcome it. Further, try to remove them. Mistakes, committing mistake is not an issue, but you have to get over them. Further, next one. See, this is the list of important topics. What I have done the analysis and I have brought it for you. This is the list of engineering mechanics. They ask from all the topics: strength of material, simple stress strain, various transformation of stress strain, shear stress, deflection of beam. These are the important topics. Definitely you have to read this. Definitely you have to read this, like determinacy, indeterminacy, ILD and matrix method in structure. So you have to read it. Agreed? Clear? So this is the point. Soil mechanics. So these are the topics. You can just read it, take a screenshot of it and you can read it. Agreed, guys? Further, for every subject I have done my detailed research and I am sharing with you. Right? Clear? Further, now book. See, if you have your teacher notes, that is good, but I would always suggest you to have one book for each subject. At least one book for each subject. That is must. Like in strength of material, you may purchase this book for concept. And if you want to practice some extra question, you may go for this book. Further, in structure analysis, you may go for Aslam Qasim Ali and theory of structures, S. Ramamurtham's. Agreed? Further, RCC, go for A.K. Jain. This one would be better. If you go for this Pillai Menon, it may be little bit heavy for you. That's why I'm not suggesting it. Further, design of steel structure, Duggal sir's book is very good. If you go for N. Subramania or M.L.GAMBHIR's book, N. Subramania's book is basically little bit bulky and that is only for the consultant. That's why I don't suggest it. For what subject this for? Subjects are also mentioned over here. Subjects are also mentioned over here. It is written, right? This is a book list according to the subject. Now don't ask me for which exam. These books are for all exams. Further, for building material, you may have, basically they don't ask timber, bricks and all that. This book is good enough, M.S. Shetty. Or for ES also you have to purchase, if you don't want to purchase a different book, then this book would be sufficient. Very good book. Concise and good book. I would not prefer Bhavi Katti, rather than I would prefer Duggal sir's book. It is better. I'm not getting you, Mathivanji. I'm not getting your question. I'm telling you for each and every subject. Agreed? In basically POD CPM, you have to have all these three books. But this book would be good enough. Agreed? If you want to purchase a single book, I'll tell you to go for this book. Further, next, soil mechanics, definitely you should have Gopal Ranjan Rao. Definitely you should have Gopal Ranjan Rao. Further, Enviro S.K. Garg is good enough. That is good enough. Next, fluid mechanics by Modi and Seth, very good book. Buy it, or you can buy A.K. Jain, or you can buy K.L. Kumar if you want to read less. Civil engineering. It is civil engineering. Open channel flow, only one book, K. Subramania. Further, hydraulic machine is not in syllabus for GATE, but it is in syllabus of ESE. These are the books, right? Next, highway engineering, Khanna and Justo, very good book. Further, airport, Rangwala or Arora and Khanna. Docks and harbour, Ojha and Ojha, just buy it, that's it. Saxena and Arora for railway engineering, that's it guys, that's it. Further, surveying by Duggal sir's book, that is thin and concise, that's why. Irrigation by S.K. Garg book, that is the very good book. No, Mativanji. I only shared the book list for civil engineers. That's why. I'm not expert in that. I'm a civil engineer, that's why. Hydrology, K. Subramania, very good book. Just buy it blindly. So guys, that's all. Now, what are the questions from your side? What are the questions from your side? Ask your questions. For ECE, consult Rathi sir. He'll be best one to guide you. He'll be best one to guide you. Please let me know. What are the questions from your side? Any doubt? Any doubt? Any doubt from your side, guys? Let me know. I'm waiting for your doubt. Was the session helpful for you? Yes, Amadiji, yes, definitely. Definitely, because numerical questions are also asked in ESE and those type of questions can be asked in GATE. Definitely. I've answered. Which subject is more focus of IIT Kharagpur? Reddy ji, there is no like this subject nowadays. Basically, it is specifically. You have moreover same pattern. You have moreover same pattern. So if somebody is telling you there is a specific subject, they are lying to you. Definitely they are lying to you. And when the paper will happen, you will come to know. Definitely the major portion will be from soil, FM and enviro. They are lying to you. Got it, Reddy ji? I'm giving you an honest answer, brother. I don't want to please you right now. I don't want to lie to you. Guys, any more questions from your side? I hope this session have benefited you in many ways, and basically you guys will prepare hard and crack the exam with a very good rank. So guys, that's all for today from my side. I don't think so you guys have any more questions. If you have more questions, you can put it in the comment box. Definitely I'll answer them. Agreed, guys? So how can we easily score in GATE exam, sir? See, you can easily score in any exam by only studying the concept, by putting the effort. No, I am not fan of R.K. Bansal. I am not fan of that book. Modi and Seth is a very good book because of concepts. Thank you, Reddy ji. Thank you. You can only crack the exam by reading, by putting hard work and reading conceptually. Ambati ji, top 100 rank. Top 100 rank. For certain specific PSUs, top 50. Top 50. And top 100. And that is achievable. If you put right effort in the right direction, that is achievable. Right? So guys, thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Happy Independence Day once again. And on this auspicious moment of Independence Day, I have tried to bring this session and let you know about it. The GATE. If you want me to take more sessions on this, on a specific topic, you can join my Telegram link. The link is above in the description. That is above in the description. Agreed, guys? So you can get in touch over there also, and you can ask me doubt also over there. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much. That's all for today, guys. Thank you very much. Have a nice day, guys. Great day ahead. Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys. I'm signing off, over and out. Thank you, guys. There's one more. Okay. Thank you, Mutaya ji. Thank you, Mutaya ji. Thank you for the compliment you made my day. Thank you.